Profits. I want to welcome all my new subscribers to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're getting much information. Hi, this is Catherine with Local Pays Profits. I want to thank you for tuning in to my channel, and I would like for you to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at the links below. So today I want to talk to you about Amazon. There are 3 ways this fourth quarter you can earn with Amazon. So let's talk about way number 1. So there is a program called Amazon Seller Services. So Amazon Seller Services allows you as a home improvement, as an instructor, as a business owner to sell your services on Amazon. You may not have been aware that Amazon offers this service. So let's give an example. You are a TV home theater installer. You can now apply with Amazon Selling Services. When I got involved with them 4 years ago, I was invited. It was invitation only. But now you can go to the website and you can apply. And with that application, you need to do they do a background check on you, your business. You need to have insurance, and you need to also, be able to perform the service. Okay? So that's one way you can earn money with Amazon. Now, it pays based on the service that they need. So most people say, in terms of their industry, that Amazon, in some cases, does not pay top rate for the service. So you need to have this in addition to what you already do in your local market. So if you are in fact an installer of television, wall mounting, and home theater and audio, you need to have this in addition to what you're already doing. So this is not a standalone business. This is something to keep your, representatives or your movers or your technicians busy during the holiday season. The second way that you can make money with Amazon is Amazon Seller Central. So Amazon Seller Central allows you to sell products such as baby goods, home goods, toys and games, video games, a number of things you can do. You can sell on Amazon Seller Central. Okay, you can do that 2 ways. You can do it either by retail arbitrage or FBA, which means that the orders you send in the products to Amazon and then Amazon ships them to the customer. Okay, so you can either do it as a merchant or you can ship the items to Amazon. If you are a merchant, you are responsible for shipping the products yourself. Okay, so that's the second way, and this is very popular during this time of the year and 12 months of the year because you're using products year round. Okay, so you're talking about, Amazon owns Whole Foods, and they own a lot of other businesses, and now they're in real estate. So Amazon is the go-to business model if you are serious as an entrepreneur. Step 3, or the third way you can make money with Amazon, is with Amazon Flex. Amazon Flex is an app where you service delivery of food to restaurants. You can deliver groceries from Whole Foods to customers. You can do Amazon Prime, and also you can do a number of other services through Amazon. So in that case, this relates to you if you own a cargo van. Amazon gives priority to owners of cargo vans during this time of the year, okay, especially. So if you can, deliver door to door, which means residential, apartments, houses, businesses if needed. You can take on this as a, you know, way to make extra money during this season. So Amazon Flex can be downloaded through the app, and you need to go to Amazon Flex online, and you will find a link. Now, Amazon is not easy to navigate. And what I mean by that is you really need training. You need a mentor. And some of you all have shown me that you don't understand that you need coaching, you need a consultant, you need a mentor. Okay? And so what that means is you need to invest in the asset, and the asset is, of course, you. The truck, the cargo van will not move without you. You cannot move without knowledge. Knowledge meaning you need someone who can mentor with experience and help you with a plan and a strategy. And so if you are interested in Amazon training, I'm going to put the link below and you can reach out to me. Now, there is a certain percentage of people who I know are not going to reach out for help. And I'm not interested in those people, because the only way that you're going to learn new skill sets is you have to invest in the asset, and the asset is you. So if you are someone who wants to learn new skill sets, then reach out to me with the link below, and we will get you started. Now, there are certain things that you will not know when it comes to starting an Amazon business. So that is why you go to someone with experience with Amazon. Amazon will suspend you if you don't know what you're doing. If you don't get your shipments out on time, if you don't treat the customers fairly, if you send, fraudulent products out, stuff that's been, replicated in China, that's been done, and they're over it, and they don't want their customers mistreated. And you get reviews, and if your reviews are great, then you're in business. But if you get bad reviews from their customer, their database of customers, you will be cut short on Amazon. Amazon does not play that, okay? So reach out to me today, and we will definitely get you going for the fourth quarter so you can benefit. You're looking at anywhere from 2 to 4 to 8 to 10,000 to sell products. Now, you don't get all of that revenue. Some of that revenue has to go back to the company. Plus, you have to pay for shipping, but you can do that through the app. Shipping is very inexpensive. I went to the post office not knowing when I was inexperienced, and I paid, top rate for postage. But you don't have to do that. You can purchase your postage through Amazon, which is like pennies on a dollar. I mean, it's real inexpensive. So if that's something that you're interested in, like I say, Amazon gets a portion of the sale. Then you have to buy your product, and you have to, buy your shipping. Now, your shipping is included in your, it's included in your listing. So, you may have a product that's $35, and then your listing, your shipping is $4.99, which is separate. But it's still, the customer pays for both. Okay, something like eBay. So if Amazon is something that you're interested in, please reach out to me for coaching. We'll get you up and going as soon as possible so you can start making revenue this holiday season. So I want to thank you once again for subscribing, for liking, for sharing, for commenting. And I had 2 questions I wanted to answer really quick. 2 people came on my page. Okay, let's see. So, hi, Alvin Ray, the cute and young mechanic. You said, hi, can I ask if what requirements for box trucks to operate to get loads, and what type of driver's license? And how much is it going to take to register all of needs. So Alvin, first of all, the requirements for your box truck depends on your state requirements. So you need to start there. Whatever state you're in, you need to start there. Okay? The driver's license, a box truck goes up to 26 foot. It does not require a CDL, so you can use your operator's license. But once again, you can check that with your state DOT. And how much is going to take to register all of the needs? That once again depends on your state. So if you're registering for your LLC, which is your limited liability corporation, in some states I understand it's free. In my state it is not. You have to get your assumed name. You have to get your website. You have to get your marketing. Depending on if you're doing moving. Now, if you're not doing moving, you're just doing transportation and freight, then you won't require a website. But if you're going to do a combination thereof, I recommend that you get a website because everything now is searched and indexed online. So you can reach out to me at the link below to set up a consultation, and I'll gladly show you what steps you need to do, who you need to talk to, where you need to be looking for a contract. You don't want piecework with a box truck, and the reason I say that is because that's just what it's going to be, pieces, and that's not a plan, that's not a strategy. So please reach out to me at the link below, and let's get together and discuss it, and I'll give you the best strategy for your particular local market. And then I had another question from William Batts. William says, what insurance carrier did you decide on, Mrs. Weathersby? I used State Farm. So State Farm is a known, very well-known company, but you do have to check the rates. The rates tend to be on the expensive side. So once you get a quote from them, shop your quote and see if you can find something less expensive. Because this is why I say you can't have piecework. You have to have consistent work, because your insurance, you must pay month to month, or you can pay for the year, and that can be $4,500 and up. So you have to shop your rates and find the best price for your market and the best price for your business. So go to the links below. I'm still doing the moving course. If you want to start a moving business, moving season officially begins Memorial Day and ends Labor Day. But moving is done 12 months out of a year. And so you will still get moves, if you get going. So go to the description box below. Go to the description box below and subscribe, comment, share. Click on the link, and let's get you started with your Amazon business. Gotta go eat. Talk to you guys later. Bye.